Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to do a number sequence in Excel, perfect for numbering your tech sales data like in my project. We'll go step by step and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's create that sequence, stick with me. Alright, let's dive in. First open Excel and select the cell where you want to start your sequence like A2. Type 1, then press Enter to move to A3 type 2. Select both cells. You'll see a small square at the bottom right, that's the fill handle. Drag it down to A10 to create a sequence from 1 to 9. For a custom step, type 1 in A2, 3 in A3. Select both and drag to increase by 2 each time. One tip, if the sequence skips numbers, double check your starting cells for correct values. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments how you use your sequence. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.